Hello everyone, this is me, Natalie from St. Petersburg, and today I have uploaded my new online class with my student. Without further ado, let's get started and follow me. Всем привет! Большое спасибо за просмотр данного видео. Сегодня у вас будет прекрасная возможность посмотреть еще один урок, который проходил онлайн с моей ученицей. А зовут ее Ульяна. Ульяна в этом году закончила 3 класс. И ей есть чем гордиться. Итак, поехали! Here we go! Hello, Ульяna. How's it going?
It's going good.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had a sandwich. On top of my sandwich was a slice of sausage.
Okay. And anything else?
I drank tea.
With sugar or without sugar?
With sugar and with
I'm
milk.
so absent-minded person. I completely forgot. And could you tell me again, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 2nd of January.
Have you got any siblings?
Yeah, I have my eldest sister, Kate.
Kate, all right. And how old is she? Your eldest.
She's 14.
And sir, have you got any pets?
Yeah, I have guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs, okay. How many guinea pigs have you got?
My sister has got 1 guinea pig and I have guinea pig. In the first picture, horse has got spots on its body.
Yeah.
But in the second picture, horse hasn't got any spots on its body.
Amazing, all right. Anything else? Can you see anything else?
In the first picture, the rooster has got a green tail. However, in the second picture, a rooster has got a purple tail.
Amazing, well done. Look at these pictures here. And sir, tell me please, what's the matter? We're going to talk about minor injuries. Could you tell me what's the matter with him?
He's got a toothache.
He's got a toothache. And sir, and what's the matter with her?
She's cut her finger.
Yeah, that's right. And what's the matter with her?
She sprained her wrist.
Amazing, all right. But she's upset here. It's so painful. Is she in pain, Ульяна? Is she in pain?
Yes, she's in pain.
And what's the matter with her?
She has sore throat.
She's got a sore throat. And what's the matter with him?
He has a headache.
He has a headache, yeah. And what's the matter with this man?
He's got a stomach ache.
Ульяna, say it again.
He's
got a
stomach ache.
Yes, stomach ache here. Stomach ache. He's got a stomach ache. You mispronounced the word. You need to say stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Could you say it again, Ульянушка? Say it again.
He's got stomach ache.
Yeah, amazing. And right, what about this one? Well done. What's wrong with him? What's the matter with him?
He has a flu.
He has
The flu.
the flu, and what is he doing? He is
Cough.
what is he doing? He is
Coughing.
He is coughing. How do you spell cough, Ulyanashka? How do you spell cough? How do you spell cough? Would you tell me? How do you spell cough?
C
C.
A
Be careful. Use your head. C.
O
O.
U
U. What is the next letter? C. O. U.
G
G. G. And the last letter is H.
H.
Let's do it again, Ulyanashka. Let's do it again. Are you ready to do it again? Okay, let's do it again one more time. Okay, how do you spell cough?
C
C
O
O
U
U
G
G
H.
H. Good for you. And say it again. What's the matter with him? What's the matter with him?
He's got the flu.
What the flu? And what is he doing? What's he doing?
He's coughing.
He's coughing. Look and match. And you need to use here. You need to use here must, mustn't. You mustn't here. For example, you can see here the example. When you've got a stomach ache, you mustn't eat burgers and chips. Here. What about picture 2? Picture 2. When you have a
Back pain.
backache, when you have a back pain, here, backache.
Or you mustn't pick up a big bag.
A big bag here. Wonderful, very. Pick up a big bag. Picture 3. Picture 3.
You mustn't.
When you have.
Yeah.
What's the matter? When you have an earache, Ульяна. When you have an earache, could you say it again?
When you have an earache.
An earache. When you have an earache, you
mustn't listen to music.
Yeah, amazing, well done. And what about picture 4? When you have, Ульяna, when you have a
headache,
when you have a terrible headache here, when you have a splitting headache, when you have a
play computer games.
You mustn't
play computer games.
Yeah, you mustn't play computer games. All right, and picture 5, Ulyanushka, picture 5.
When you have a toothache, you mustn't eat cakes, biscuits, or chocolate.
Yeah, you mustn't eat cakes, biscuits, or chocolate. Let's read aloud. Read aloud. Ready, steady, girl? Let's read aloud.
Last summer, my brother Travis and I decided to go camping. The mountain trail was not easy. An hour later, we found the perfect spot and put up our tent. Then we both looked for firewood. Suddenly, we heard a strange noise. It was a low moaning sound, as if a creature was in pain. We froze.
Okay, and I'm gonna ask you a few questions, Ulyanashka. Was the mountain trail easy or difficult?
Mountain trail was
difficult. And who tripped on a rock? Who tripped on a rock?
Travis tripped on a rock.
Could you retell this story?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm all ears, Ульяна. I'm all ears.
Narrator and his brother decided to go camping. The mountain trail was difficult. An hour later, they found a perfect spot and put up their tent. Then they looked for firewood. All of a sudden, they heard a weird noise. It was a low moaning sound, as if a creature was in pain. They froze. So they ran. Then they dropped the wood and ran back into the tent as fast as they could.